Hey, Martin Morris, JoeTheBigWork.com. Just my little roommate there. The little birdies playing on the branches. Wind's finally calmed down. They're showing you, hey, if you want to get money follows attention, attention follows money. They always come out when they see the camera. Look at them. They all know where the camera is. You here got to know where the camera is. You as a business people, market yourself. Market yourself. Subscribe. Talk to the person that has 800 or 900 videos. Even little birdie saying, Martin, can you make me a star? Can you make me a star? I will make you a star.